History of Somalia 1960 to 2025. Somalia has experienced many historical events since independence in 1960 until today. Here is a brief overview of the history of Somalia during that period. 1960–1969. Independence and the First Republic, July 1, 1960. The Somali Republic was formed after the unification of the northern, British Somaliland, and southern, Italian Somaliland, regions. Aden Abdul Osman became the first president. 1967. Abdirashid Ali Sharmarke was elected president, while Muhammad Haji Ibrahim Egal became prime minister. 1969–1991. The military rule of Siad Barre. 1969. Abdirashid Ali Sharmarke was assassinated, and General Muhammad Siad Barre took power. 1977–1978. Somalia went to war with Ethiopia, Ogaden War. 1991. Anti-Barre uprisings led to the overthrow of the government in January, leading to the collapse of the central government. 1991–2000. National disintegration and civil war. Somalia descended into civil war, with various factions fighting. 1992. The United Nations, UNOSOM, and the United States, UNITEF, attempted to stabilize the country, but with little success. 1998. Puntland and Somaliland declared themselves independent states. 2000–2012. Rebuilding statehood. 2000. The Transitional National Government, TNG, was established, with Abdighazam Salad Hassan as president. 2004. The Transitional Federal Government, TFG, was established, with Abdullahi Yusuf Ahmed as president. 2006. The Islamic Courts Union takes control of Mogadishu, but is defeated when Ethiopia intervenes. 2009. Sheikh Sharif Sheikh Ahmed becomes president, following a peace agreement. 2012. The Federal Government of Somalia, FGS, is established, with Hassan Sheikh Mohammed as president. 2001–2025. Stability in the battle against Al-Shabaab. 2017. Mohammed Abdullahi Farmajo becomes president of Somalia. 2022. Hassan Sheikh Mohammed is re-elected president. Somalia continues to struggle with Al-Shabaab and insecurity in parts of the country. 2024–2025. Efforts are underway to stabilize the country, with the hope of achieving one-person, one-vote elections. Conclusion: Somalia has experienced independence, military rule, state collapse, and reconstruction efforts. Despite challenges, plans are underway to build a strong government.